see how to calculate in JavaScript area of rectangle. So this is answer. So you can practice this on mobile also. So we'll create a new program. So you can see how to practice on mobile using Android app. So you can see my previous videos, or link I will give you in this video in description box. So you can see the link how to load Android app so that you can practice JavaScript. So JavaScript is case sensitive and it is embedded in HTML. It is used for both client side and server side. So you can write JavaScript in body section or head section, but we will write in this. Mostly events functions are written in head section. So here JavaScript, to write any JavaScript code, this tag is used, and if this automatically it comes in Android app on mobile, but if you are using Notepad, then use language is equal to JavaScript. Where is the keyword? You declare the variable. We want to calculate area of rectangle, so we will give, for width we'll give w, width into height, that is height. For h you can give any name, and area we'll give here. So any variable name you have to give. You have to separate each variable by comma and each line by semicolon. So semicolon is optional. Now we will either directly assign the values, suppose 2, and means this is called initialization, or we can input also. So we will see that now this is directly values are assigned to it. This is called initialization, means directly assigning the values while declaring the variable. So no need of taking input. If you want input, that also after completing this I'll show you that also how to input the value. So we will now write formula. Area is equal to width into, for into you have to use star sign, into height, semicolon. Now this will be stored in area w. What is the value of w? 2. Height is 3. So in area 2 into 3, that is 6 will be stored. So you can print the result by using 3 methods. By using alert, you will get one alert dialog box with a message and a result. So any message you have to put in double quotes. So alert is predefined function in JavaScript, and area of rectangle is, so now plus sign is used to join the result with message. So this plus is not calculation, this is to join. So not to give double quotes for the variable when you want to print the value of that variable, put semicolon, then close the script tag. Script tag you have to close, I think so it is below. Now close body tag, close head tag, save the file. Save the file. Every JavaScript file is saved with .html. Rectangle, you can give any name. So I'll write area rectangle. So you can give any name, but extension should be .html for JavaScript. We will run, click on this arrow. So in preview you can see, so area of rectangle is 6. We got this result by alert function, that is alert dialog box we got. We can even print by document.write. Document is one object, it has its method, or you can say function. So any method or function is accessed by using dot operator. So write is a method of document object. So double quotes we'll write here. Again same thing, area of. So document.write is used to print the result on the web page, that is on a browser. So used a plus. Now this plus, again I told you, this is used to actually print, and this is a message whatever is enclosed in double quotes. Plus is to join, means if you want to join many messages, then you go on adding plus sign. So this is called concatenation. Then semicolon. Save the file. Then again click on this arrow because we are running by using Android mobile. So this is alert, we got this answer, and this is by document.write. This answer we got on this. So you can print even by this confirm box. Confirm also we get confirm dialog box. Confirm is a function of parent object, so no need of using. It is a parent object of that is, it is a function of parent object, that is Windows. So whenever we are accessing any function of parent, so you can skip, like how we had used document.write. Confirm and alert are functions of window object, so no need of using. Even we can use window.confirm or window.alert, but as it is parent object, so no need of using window dot. So you can use also, that is option. Save and run. So what is the different? This also we get dialog box in alert, in confirm also, but here we get OK button, here we get OK and cancel. Document.write prints the result in. So this we got result by this dialog box is alert box, we got OK button. This dialog box we got by confirm function with OK and cancel button, and this on the browser screen, that is we'll get the output that is on a web page, area of rectangle, by using document.write. So you can calculate many formulas. So keep watching, so that in next program all areas of shape one by one I'll be loading. So keep watching, subscribe to my channel to get more updates. Thank you.